Right.
Are you ready?
I'm on.
Are you ready?
What we make on this episode, mate?
On this episode, the Bald Cooks are making chili chicken bites with homemade chili sauce.
Oh, lovely. Now, it's not just any homemade chili sauce, is it?
Right. This chili sauce is the Bald Cooks chili sauce. That is banging.
Coming to a store near you soon.
Very soon. I ain't going to tell you what's in it.
No.
We said it before in another video because we're going to sell you it.
Secret ingredient.
That is wicked.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Mate.
Beautiful.
That takes any kebab shop to score.
Oh, come
Trust
on,
me.
mate. They ain't got nothing on us.
I ain't going to talk it up, but that's a puff of dipping sauce.
Right, I'm going to get the chicken bites ready.
Right.
Nice fresh chicken. I'll go around this.
You go around there, son.
Go there. Nice fresh chicken we've got here. We butchered that up earlier.
Brand new, off the bone.
None of this processed chicken.
No, no, no.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the skin off and get them into bite-sized chunks by Bradley.
Explains.
Bits and bobs.
I ain't got nothing to do because I prepped it.
Oh, you've done it all, haven't you?
Basically, what we got is we've got seasoned flour, salt and pepper, plain flour, salt and pepper. You've got egg wash, and then you've got the Bald Builder secret crust.
Oh, yes.
That is banging.
How big do you want your bites, Brad?
Bite size. That's it.
Bite size.
When I say chili chicken, not only because we've got chili sauce, but we've got the chili crust. Okay? That crust. Sam, you had some of these the other day.
Is that our secret ingredient as well?
That is our secret ingredient. Sam had some which were 2 day old,
Yeah.
cold.
And they were still banging.
They're still nice.
Yeah.
Well,
They were still soft. Obviously, because it's breaded as such, bread
Yeah.
crumb, it's not a batter.
nice, mate. Lovely.
Trust me.
Absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, I've just got your bite size ready here, Brad. Actually. That's it. We're ready to go.
Ready to go, yeah? We've got the fryer on about 160. That's been going
There
already.
you go, mate.
You've got more than 6 haircuts.
Yeah, we're.
I
I
think
feel a little bit
still
hungry,
six.
mate. I feel a little bit hungry.
You feeling a little bit hungry?
Yeah, I thought we'd go for
There's
it.
3 of us in there. Right.
Yeah.
Chicken's obviously silky, wet, so dip it in the flour first, yeah? Get your chicken in flour. What you want to try and do, I've probably got all this set up wrong. In the flour, right, first, yeah? Then what you want to do, cover the whole chicken in the flour, yeah? You with me, Sam? We've got 2,
I'm with
4,
you.
5, we have 1 more, yeah? We'll do 6 in there, right? That chicken now covered in the flour.
Seasoned flour.
Seasoned flour, salt and pepper.
Just a
right?
little bit of salt and pepper. Nothing else in that, is
Nothing
it?
else. Did that in the end, right? Egg wash, bosh. Right? Keep your hands separate now.
Is
This is
that-
what I said, I've probably got it all set up wrong.
Is that just eggs?
That's just 2 eggs mixed together.
Right.
Sweet.
Turn that round in the eggs. Right?
And that becomes a binding agent.
Binding agent for the secret crust.
Secret crust.
Right, there you
Which
go.
we can't tell you what it is
We
because
can't tell you what it is
because
because it's secret.
There we go.
Right?
But it's got lots of stuff in it.
Lots of stuff in it.
Has it,
Well, we can tell. Can we tell? Should we tell them one ingredient?
One ingredient.
Cayenne pepper. That's all they're getting. That's all they're getting. That's it. Cayenne pepper. Well, they look good already, mate.
Right, that goes in there like that, yeah?
Beautiful. You finished with this one? Oh, you got
Yeah,
more
you
there.
can do them.
Yeah.
I'm just doing them for
Do you want me to throw them in there?
Yeah, no one that in there, look at that. Right, and now, using the other hand, see how I get the egg hand, Sam?
yeah.
Get that separate, see? That's why I said I'll probably twist handed, I don't know, whatever.
Bit cack-handed because you're
Bit
right-handed.
back-handed, but whatever.
Hey ho, never mind, never mind.
Listen, we're home cooks,
That's it.
okay?
Look at that. Bread them up, look at that. Oh, Brad, they look good, mate.
Look at that, look.
Yeah.
Right.
Beautiful. Nice colour already, and not even
Nice
cooked,
colour,
actually.
not
Yeah.
even cooked, dry mix, straight over it, yeah? Let me wash my hands before I get busy, yeah?
Right, I'll just move these ones over to here,
Yep.
and then once you've washed your hands, then you can take over, and I'll start getting rid of some of this on here, shall I?
Yeah, clean,
Listen, this
bit
is
of a
gonna
clean
take-
up.
4 or 5 minutes, we want to make sure is that chicken's cooked right through.
Yeah.
You'll tell because the chicken will float to the top and it'll be golden, right?
And I suppose once you've made these just kick arse on any chicken nugget
Trust me.
that you could ever buy.
Trust me.
All that old processed crap chicken.
Trust me, when you've got the old bones in it and stuff like that,
mate.
that's pure chicken breast
Look at that.
in the fryer.
Beautiful, mate.
Don't smother the fryer. Don't smother the fryer. Don't put too many in there. This is 6 in there going, isn't it?
Yeah,
6 in
we've
there.
got a few there. We have done a few. That's quite a big chicken breast, to be fair.
There's a bit of egg, you don't want that bit in there. Right. 2, 4, 6. Lovely.
Show the camera, show the
Show
camera.
the camera before they go in the fryer, yeah?
Boom, lovely.
Yeah?
They look
Yep.
really good.
In they go.
Really good, mate. Really good.
Fryer's on. Hear it. You hear it?
No, I can, but they can't.
Can't they?
You hear it?
Yeah, oh, now I can hear it. Now I can hear it. Now I can hear it.
Right, there you go. In there. Let them go in there for about 3 to 5 minutes.
I reckon, Brad. Do you reckon you could pre-make these so you could get them in your bread your batter mix there.
Get them in the fridge.
Put them in the fridge.
Put them in the fridge in a Tupperware box, let it sit, and then the batter, the old bread mix will just go around it, won't it?
Yeah.
The old dry mix.
Well, it's not bread.
It's not dry mix.
It's not bread.
It's not bread.
I said bread as well, but it's
Yeah, it's
actually
not.
not even got no bread in it.
There's no bread in it. I'd say it's dry mix.
It is. It's dry.
I don't want to give no ingredients away, you see.
Dry rub.
Dry rub.
We call it dry rub.
Dry rub.
We call it
I don't want
dry
to give no ingredients away.
No. It's our speciality, this, isn't it? Look, get them on there. Lovely. See it,
Bro, that's all they do, look. You got both hands messy then, didn't you?
Yeah.
See, I try to keep one hand clean.
Just mess it all up,
Yeah,
mate.
but I'm a plasterer by trade, so I'm trying to keep one hand clean with a trowel, and when one skin comes out and all that, and he
Oh,
gets
one
up like
skin?
that, all
Oh,
that,
one skin's got to make an appearance.
all like that, he's coming.
He's coming out,
Yeah,
actually.
you've got 2 weeks worth of settings soon.
Oh. Yeah, look.
Can't we just cook for a living, cuz?
I think that's what we need to do.
Sam, can't we just cook for a living, bro?
Look, it's taking on these right up to down there. Look at that.
Soon.
Look at that. Look.
Right,
Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful.
listen.
Any of you scientists out there, you might be able to break that down and see what we've got in there. You know we've got kale in there, because we told you that. We'll give you that one for nothing.
Let me give you no more though. No more, because that is going to be sold to you a lot later on.
No, again, we're going to try it's not lie, actually. Let's tell you where it is.
Right, yeah.
How long in that fry, Brad?
About 3 to 5 minutes. Again, I don't time anything, do I?
Just when it's done, it's done.
It's done, isn't it?
Temperature?
Temperature's at 160.
Lovely.
Slow, just cook it slow. No rush on it.
Make sure it's...
Because what you do, if you cook it too fast, you're going to burn that dry rub on the outside and the
Gotcha.
chicken won't be cooked on the inside.
Yeah.
So you just got to make sure that it just ain't, just take your time with it.
Right, we're keeping them one for later.
Keep them ones, we'll do them in a minute.
Kids can have them for dinner tonight, can't they? Look at that. You can actually put them in the fridge. You can put them in the fridge if you like for an hour, a couple of hours. Prepare them.
Yeah, you
prepare them at lunchtime.
over it.
Oh,
Stick it in the fridge.
stick them in the fridge done. Apart from tonight.
And wipe that down with some wipes in, haven't we?
Yeah. Ah, we've got our chilli sauce as well, haven't we?
Chilli
Go
sauce
with
is
it.
going.
Mate, lovely.
That chilli sauce was cooked down earlier on, so it's gone cold now. You're going to have a hot chicken bite, chilli bite. Dip in that sauce will be perfect.
There's about 15, 16 ingredients in that.
In that sauce there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About 15, 16 ingredients.
Hold
to
up.
it. Go on.
Hold up.
Go on. We're not going to tell them, are we?
I'm gonna tell them.
You're not going to tell them. How many in it, Brad? Count. Don't show them.
13 ingredients.
13
ingredients. Got to write them down in that cookbook later on.
Yeah.
13 ingredients in there.
Also going to be sold to you later.
Also,
Also, we're going to be doing a bit of a
you know
cookbook.
what? I'm going to jazz it up.
Go
Bring
on.
that plate.
Go on. Oh, yeah.
I'm going
I'll
jazzing.
tell you what, let's just look.
No,
Messing
no,
around
move that
here.
way, go on.
I'm messing around here, Brad. I'm
Get
messing
out
around.
there. Get out there.
Let's get that down there, shall we?
Get out there.
Here we go.
There is a bin there, just so everyone knows.
Oh, there is a bin there.
Yeah, honestly, we're not just sweeping onto the floor.
We do that at work.
Yeah.
Oh, Tommy gun. Tommy gun.
Tom.
Right, here we go, yeah?
Oh, look at that, mate. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Brad. What have you done to it? What have you done to it?
You on the timer, Sam?
Yeah,
How long's that been?
8 minutes and 24 seconds.
So we had a couple of minutes beforehand, before they went in. Then they went in. Do you reckon they're cooked?
No,
Do you reckon they're cooked?
I don't know.
Do you reckon they're cooked?
I'll get the salmonella.
What do you reckon, Tone? Are they cooked?
Have a look, mate. Whoa, let's have a quick look. Should we have a quick look? Should we just test one? Why not? Should we test one? They're cooked, are they? They're cooked now. Yeah, I'll go up there. Bit of chefs here, haven't we? Jazz it up, mate.
Hold up.
Jazz it up, why not? Why not?
Are we chef? Are we home cooks?
Yeah. That is exactly what you want to do, actually. Lovely. Get that on there. They actually look really good and they smell fantastic as well.
Show the camera, Tone.
Show the camera.
Take it over to the camera. Take the plate over to the camera,
Should we-
brother.
should I take the whole
Take
lot
the
over?
whole thing over to the camera, Tone, and get their mouths watering
Look at
at the Bald Cooks.
How's that sound? Look.
homemade
How's that, Sam? How's that?
chicken chili bites, brother.
Chicken chili bites with our own chili sauce.
What?
You can't beat that, can you?
Bruh.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Portion of 6.
Oh, mate. Let's have a look here. Shall we?
Go on.
Shall we? Shall we?
Go on.
Oh, look, I'm not even opening that yet. That's how confident I am.
Go on.
That's how confident I
I
am.
ain't even moved, cuz.
Look at that. Look at that.
I ain't even moved.
Yes.
I
Perfect.
ain't even moved, bro.
Perfect.
I don't need to move. Look at that.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Take a look at
Strap up.
What are they saying? I don't like chili, but
If you like chili, you've got to try These are banging.
They're unbelievable. They are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful.
Hey?
They're really
Tell
good.
the camera. Come in front of the camera and tell the camera.
How good are they, Sam?
They're really good.
We're really good. Listen, mate. Come on,
Oh,
boys.
quite good.
Let's go.
Quite good.
Yeah.
Let's go get it.
Quite good or really good.
No, they're really
We're going
good.
to demolish all them.
They are banging.
Now,
They weren't really good, you wouldn't have gone back for
I'll
second.
tell you what, they are that good, but then, when you stick them in a bit of our sauce,
Mate. See, that sauce kills it, bro. Bang. Pork cooks, chicken chili, chicken bites,
I can't say nothing.
homemade chili sauce.
Beautiful.
Until next time.
Give it a go yourself.
Oh yeah.
Bye bye.